Starting route to Yosemite National Park South entrance.
Water is so clear right now. It's beautiful. I don't remember it being this clear before. I just had to get in. I'm like super hot. You made it. Okay, so what happened is I missed it because in my head I had 69 in my head. So I missed it, and then I found them, and I just parked.
This is my stepping stone.
My parents are truck camping for the first time.
Yeah.
Let's go. This is my dad's new truck. So
I got Vince's phone in.
My mom has the T-Mobile Starlink thing. She's saying it's
turn right to stay connected. Look. See, and it tells me if I'm in the right spot. See where it's green?
Yeah. So we're here in Yosemite. This is how. It's probably good right where he's at. You see where he's at? In the middle, Mom. You gotta have like.
Maybe it has to do with that line.
You gotta have a.
Sky. Look at the line of the
You gotta have a clear view. You can see the Starlinks going by sometimes, Mom. If you look in the sky. Oh, did you guys know there's supposed to be 2 meteor showers tonight? 2 meteor showers tonight. So we should be able to see them. Yeah, it's online. It said as long as you have a clear view of the sky, no light pollution. I don't know. I can look it up. What? Okay, I was gonna enjoy my coffee by the river, but now I gotta make my parents' coffee. So, cheers. The coffee tastes so good right now. If you're wondering what I use this. Asia got me hooked on this. It's good. It does work.
Is that a new one?
Okay.
Call you Damien? Damien?
No, it's my old one.
You gotta work it?
Okay, what's going on?
Your son Damien.
Hey, so my daughter wanted
That's
me
filming
to
me?
get it documented
filming all of
on
us.
film that I'm tired, a little grouchy because I haven't
I
slept.
never said that.
Ew, he looks like he hasn't slept.
Ew!
Look at his hair.
His hair's always
some
Let me
crazy.
see. Let me see his
His
hair.
hair is crazy. He doesn't have. He lost his comb.
Dude, let me see.
He doesn't brush it.
Whoa!
And I think he needs to
Straight
get it.
up laughing
He needs
at
to get
him
it
to
cleaned
his
out, I
face.
think. It's way too thick. What?
Your hair's like it's sticking
Looks
out
like-
everywhere.
It's like Rod Stewart.
Good morning from Yosemite.
Top of the morning, top of the morning.
Top of
I can't even hear you. Sam, this
Shit,
is
I'm
a
running
new
out of
phone.
sunscreen.
Hey, I
Hello?
need to get a different case. It's fine.
Oh, there. Now I can hear you.
Look at
Really?
this
How bad do
gorgeous
you wish
view of
that?
the water.
I wish we could teleport.
Wish hard enough. Maybe it'll come true.
I
You
wish we
just
could
rub
just like
the genie
hop
bottle
over,
or
you know,
something.
Like, teleport.
There should be an underground railways for campers.
Woohoo!
Yeah,
Yep.
he wants to work here next year, so we're just here.
You want to work here?
I wanted to-
Dude, you have to
I
apply
was-
to be a real ranger.
No, not a ranger.
Did
Oh.
you guys
Anything
know
else?
Nathan's dad was a ranger in Yosemite?
No.
He was a park ranger. And
Okay,
it was like his
So
passion.
what qualifications do you
look
need
at
to
the
be a
river.
ranger?
Did
You have to
Sam
have a
show you
bachelor's
yet?
degree,
I
right?
have no idea.
I'm pretty sure you have to have a bachelor's degree in like a related.
That's probably true.
His dad was
We're
a
right
teacher,
on the
a
river.
park ranger, and so I'm like, that sounds like
Outside
Aunt
the park,
Jen.
there's a lot of camps that probably have
Yeah.
camp hosts.
Guess what? Fish Camp was hiring.
Oh.
I just saw a
What?
picture,
Really?
a sign. Look at this van. So cute.
It'd be a good
Mom
opportunity to
said
watch
it.
she's not gonna scream.
Say it again, for the record.
For the record,
Um,
give the time and date.
Yeah, I'm not gonna scream. Y'all, and if I do, y'all should scream with me.
No, if
Yes.
you do, then you owe us $20.
$20 each.
Yeah, each. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
You buy ice cream at the valley.
Yeah, it's beautiful down here. Look at this rock over here, it's so pretty. Oh, feels good. This is such a good spot. It's like... Is the rope still on Oh, you would love this river right now. Perfect. Just float. Where's mom?
Back, car.
What? That was just shitting. Okay.
She was getting me some towels.
Don't step on the shit. She just.
I'll use a stick to move it over. I'm gonna get my tan on this guy right here.
You can put the towels in that chair. That's our chair.
This one right here?
No, that one.
What is this?
The other one. I don't know who that is.
This
Been
was
there.
here since last night.
Yeah, I think it might be those people. It's been there since I got here.
Yeah. Oh, you're so bad. Oh my goodness. Is she just swim? Wow. That's probably so good for her. Yeah. Little water for her. Should we bring something to lay on the ground? Oh, I have something to lay on the ground.
All right, we're rolling again. Come on, we got 13%.
Okay, Yosemite 2025.
Mom's gonna go in
Here
for the
we
first
go.
time.
Let's see how warm this water is. It's piping hot, right, Jesse?
Good.
Right. Said it's colder
This
today.
rock is beautiful. Yeah, it was warm yesterday when I came in at 5.
Really? Maybe the sun heats her up more, yeah.
Come on.
Can you walk around this way and hold my hand?
Huh? Oh, okay.
I don't want to fall.
Yeah. I think Grandma's good.
Ah! She screamed, folks. You heard it here.
Woo! It's
So
cold.
she's a liar.
But it's
Remember this
not
morning?
that bad though.
In my video, it's gonna go from that cut straight to this.
Oh, I
It's
did it.
beautiful, the sand.
Peace, love, swag.
Oh my god, how did you get there so fast?
What's he doing?
I'm gonna scream bigger when I actually go up to my neck. That's when shocking things will happen.
Shocking.
Do you want to use that right now, honey?
Do you want the tube one?
Can I use the inner tube one? This is the same size, sort of, almost the same size as Sam's bed in her van. I said,
I
you
know.
use it
I
like
said
a
it's like a
mattress.
mattress. No, so we can sleep outside on it. Give it Uncle Vince. I want to try. Middle.
He's got to go on that side.
Yeah, you need to screw a little more.
This is for see if it'll work. There, stay right there. Okay,
Just lay back.
now Nathan, you got your side.
Just lay, yeah, lay back, Nathan.
Scoot over. Scoot over, Nathan. There you go. There! Woo! Look, we did it!
Now push him.
Oh, look at Oh, look at the two lovely
So you were
teddies.
scared.
Over there checking out the whole site.
You guys need a pillow,
So
huh?
our site's clean now, right?
Look at the love
I know,
birds.
there was a couple empty bottles I just couldn't get out of here.
Thank you guys for a ride.
Whoa, that was long. Oh yeah, it's just so good.
So hard just getting everything in
Hey,
and
it fits
out.
my bagel perfectly. Look at sandwich for lunch on a bagel thing. Oh no.
Ooh, that looks good, Sam.
Don't the sandwiches here at Yosemite after swimming and stuff always taste better
Everything tastes better.
than
That burger I had yesterday tasted so good. And I eat them all the time.
when we run out?
We got a lot of stuff.
And with this all tomatoes.
Oh yeah.
I'm cutting one right now.
Say hi, Emma. Oops. All right, we're on a mission to get firewood.
I think of this beef.
Hey, open the back. Get that barrel out.
What?
Huh?
It's not like really big.
Like this.
Huh? This stuff.
We're cleaning up the forest, removing the fire hazard. This is fuel for the wildlife. Should have dropped it in.
Hmm.